To delete your Instagram account using the app on your iPhone or Android device, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom menu. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings. In the settings menu, select Account Center * at the top. Then, scroll down and choose Personal Details. Next, select Account Ownership and Control, followed by Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple accounts, choose the Instagram account you wish to delete. Afterward, select the option for Delete Account * and click Continue. Pick a reason for deleting your account. Tap Continue. Then enter your Instagram account password. Finally, select Continue * one last time, and your account will be deleted.